Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. Today we're going to start off at Dotty's drop, which is very dry. And I've even put some reinforcement at the bottom. Anyway, let's go. Put that wrong here completely. Oops. Okay. Those trees falling over. When it gets dry, yeah, it gets dry. It looks like we might get some winter rain today. Let's do this, Old Canal. Nicely. Making this section a bit faster than usual. Let's do turning, sharp turn, and some soft sand right now. Let's go this way to the other route. Let's go up the hill. Catch up with you guys just now. Oh my goodness, this is long, agonizing uphill. I don't know if you can see it. It's long, very long. See you soon.